Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 9th Standard Chemistry, Unit 15, Carbon and its compound acid. In previous class, I already discussed special features of carbon. What are the special features? Catenation, tetravalency, multiple bond, allotropy, and isomerism. These topics are already learned. Today, we are going to learn about plastics and catenated long chain carbon compounds. Plastics are major class of catenated organic carbon compounds. They are made from long chain organic compound. These are called as polymer resins. These polymer resins which chemical additives which gives them different properties. The different properties of polymers are used to make different types of plastics. So plastics are everywhere. They are convenient and cheap and are used in our everyday life. Plastics have changed the way to live. They have helped improve healthcare, transport, and food safety. Plastic have allowed many breakthroughs in technologies such as smartphones, computers, and the internet. It's clear that plastic have given our society many benefits, but these benefits have come at the cost. We are used plastics in many variant purposes. So it is very convenient and cheap and used to everyday life. Plastics present in smartphones, computers, and internet. It is very cheapest one, so it is used everyday life. Let's learn about drawbacks of plastics. The first drawback is plastics take a very long time to fully break down in nature. Plastic have long time process to fully break down to nature. This is first drawback. Second one, the microbes that break down plastics are too few in a nature to deal with the quantity of plastic we produce. So the plastic contains microbes. This is totally affect the nature. Third one, the lot of plastics does not get recycled and end up polluting the environment. Some of the plastics are that does not use recycling. These plastics are end up polluting the environment. The another drawback, some types of plastics contain harmful chemical additives that are not good for human health. Some plastics contain some chemical substance. These chemical substances are not good for human health. The next drawback is burning of plastics release toxic gases that are harmful to our health and contribute to climate change. Some plastics are easily burned, or human being also burn some plastic substance. These plastic substance release some toxic gases. These gases are harmful to our health, and also these toxic gases contribute to climate change, the climate change, change the climate change. This, the last drawback, sometimes one time use and throw away plastics end up littering and polluting the environment. So one time used and use and throw plastics are polluting our environment. Let's see rules to make Tamil Nadu free plastic. As we know, the government of India is progressively taking various legal in- initiative to stop plastic pollution by making some prevention and amendment in the Environment Act 1988, which reference to this act, Government of Tamil Nadu has taken step to forward to ban the usage of some kind of plastic items. In year 25 2018 June 25th. As per the government order cited above, Tamil Nadu government has banned the usage of one-time use and throwaway plastics from 1st January 2019. This excellent this excellent legislation is designed to protect Tamil Nadu from plastic pollution. Rules which ban the production, storage, supply, and transport, sales, and distribution of one time use plastics and extremely effective. They are successful because they target all section of society, manufacturers, suppliers, shopkeeper, and customers. This progressive initiative taken by the state of Tamil Nadu lead by example of the rest of the nation. In 1st January 2019, Tamil Nadu government successfully banned one time use and throw away plastics. What are the rules present in this banned rule? Production, storage, supply, transport, sales, and distribution of one time use plastics and thrown away plastics are extremely effective. So these are successfully they are successfully because they target all section of society, manufacturers, suppliers, shopkeeper, and customers. Let's see some banned items. Plastics. First one, plastic carry bag. Plastic carry bag. Globally, we use 2 million plastic bags each minute. These carry bags, 97% of plastic bags do not get recycled. These carry bags are not gets recycled. Animals eat plastic bags by ancient as they contain food. A cow was found in over 70 kilos of plastic in each stomachs. This is one of the banned item. With this reason, the plastic carry bags of banned item, one of the banned item. The second one is plastic plates. Plastic plates. Dirty plastics are difficult to recycle. Used plastic plates. So these plastic plates are difficult to recycle. Most of one-time used plastics are made from polystyrene. The resin code is 6. So which is harmful our health. So one time used plastics are contains the chemical name is polystyrene. This is harmful to our health. The plastic plate will be used for just 20 minutes, but they stay in environment for over 100,000 years, 1,000 years. So these are the reason for plastic plates are banned. Next one, water pouch. Water pouches. Water pouches are often littered, increase plastic pollution. Plastic pollution. The blueprint on the clear plastics pouch decrease the recycling value. Recycling value. The blueprint, the blue in color, plastic pouches decrease the recycling value. Once a water pouch is used, it is difficult to recycle as contains leftover water and get covered in dirt. So water pouch also one of the difficult to recycling nature. So these are the reason for water pouches are banned. The another banned item is plastic straws. Plastic straws are too light and small to be recycled. Plastic straws are too light in nature, so small to be recycled. Straws are one of the top 10 items which are found in the plastic pollution in ocean. This is one of the top 10 items in plastic pollution. Plastic pollution taken here found in ocean. Plastic pollution in ocean. Plastic pollution in ocean. So lightweight plastics are easily get in ocean nature. 90% of seabirds having ingested plastics such as straws. These are the reason for plastic straws are banned. The another banned plastic items are plastic sheets. Plastic sheets. Plastic sheets used on top of the plates get dirty and cannot be recycled. Plastic sheets are used our daily life. These plastic sheets are cannot be recycled. More chemicals leak from plastics into food, which in it hot as spicy or oily food. The oily and spicy food are added to in our plastic sheets. These and the hard substances are easily reactive with chemicals in the plastic sheet and release some chemicals. So these chemicals are harmful to our health. Harmful to our health. Animals such as cow, goat, and dogs eats plastics by ancient because it small smell like food. Smell like food. The plastic sheets are contain some food particles. These particles are affected by a cow easily eaten. Cow, goat, dogs are easily eaten. So the animals are also affected by plastic sheets. Plastic sheets. These are the reason to plastic sheets are banned. These are the some plastic burned item. What are the plastic burned item? Banned item: plastic sheet, plastic straws, water pouch, plastic plates, and plastic carry bags. Let's see rules of students in the prevention of plastic pollution. Plastic pollution. You play a very important role and have power to minimize plastic pollution. Power to minimize plastic pollution. Ask yourself, in this plastic safe or harmful plastic? If this is not a harmful plastic types, it is one time used plastic items. One time use plastic items. These questions and the science based knowledge we will help you to reduce unnecessary plastic pollution. What can you do prevent plastic pollution? The first one, as a student, you have shared your scientific knowledge on plastic and their effects with your parents, relatives, and friends to make them aware of plastic pollution. Plastic pollution. You are more knowledge about plastic. So we share your scientific knowledge to our parents, relatives, and friends to aware plastic pollution. Aware plastic pollution. So reduce the plastic in our everyday life. The second one, you can help by teaching them how to avoid harmful plastic by searching for resin code. Resin code. You know the resin code of the plastic. So teach them our parents and relative and friends and avoid harmful plastic by harmful plastics. And also you can educate them about new rules and how important it is to stop one time use plastic. We know about the all plastic banned item. So we educate them and the new rules to new rules and how important stop one time use plastics. So these are the way of prevent plastic pollution. Let's see practice in our daily life. Plastic in your practice in your daily life. The first one, do not litter the environment by throwing plastic items. Don't use plastic items. Don't throw the plastic item in your environment. The second one, do not use thermocol to do your thermocol for your school project. Full school project. Don't use thermocol for your school project. The resin code of thermocol is 6PS. 6PS. So do not use one time use or throw away plastic like carry bag, plastic bag, teacup, thermocol, plate and cups and plastic stuff. These are the one time used plastics. Don't use these plastics on a everyday life. Do not burn plastics since they release toxic gases. That gases are harmful to our health and contribute climate change. So don't use plastic and don't burn the plastics. So in case of use burn the plastic means the plastics are released some toxic gases. These toxic gases are harmful to our health and also contribute climate change. Burning of PVC plastics release dioxin. This is one of the highly toxic substance, which one of the most dangerous chemicals known to human. So PVC plastics are release toxic substance name is dioxin. This is one of the most dangerous chemicals in our human life. So do not eat hot and spicy food items in plastic containers. So use only for silver container. Don't use plastic containers for using hard and spicy food items. Segregate your plastic waste and hand this is over to municipal authority. So it is that is can be recycled. Plastic wastes are easily the municipal authorities are easily recycled. Educate at least one person per day about how to identify the resin code and avoid unsafe plastic. So you know the knowledge about resin code and the useful plastics for resin code. So you teach at least one person per day. Educate at least one person per day about how to identify the resin code and avoid unsafe plastics. The unsafe plastics are resin code 3 PVC, resin code 6 PS and resin code 7 ABS and PC. These are the unsafe plastics. So don't use these plastics our everyday life. These are the practice in our daily life about plastics. Dear children, learn today's topics on how to avoid plastic and how to useful for plastic resin code and also learn drawback drawbacks of plastic and advantages of plastics. Learn today's topics. Thank you, students.